right, you guys, so I am unboxing my new iPhone, and I thought I was gonna wait until tomorrow. However, I can't because my child won't let me wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it tonight. Did get the iPhone 11. I did not get the Pro. I do have the envelope for the upgrade. Well, to send my other phone back because I did an upgrade. I actually did an early upgrade and I wasn't planning on getting a new phone. So it's not like I got this phone because I had to have the latest and greatest from iPhone. Okay, so now I put that there because it wasn't like I had to have the latest and greatest from iPhone. However, when I changed from my 6 Plus, I went and I got an iPhone 8, which is much smaller, and you don't realize, or at least I didn't realize, how horrible, well, it's not horrible, but how my vision has gotten worse over time. So therefore, the other one was just a bit too small. So I did get the purple one, the lavender, purple, whatever you want to say, and I actually wish I could have seen the phone in person before I ordered it, because purple is my favorite color and I love a strong deep purple, but I do understand this probably is not. Okay, so let me show y'all this. So the iPhone right here, and I don't know how the lighting is, but the words iPhone are in purple. The Apple symbol is in purple. And yeah, so I don't know how to do these unboxings. I've never did an unboxing of an iPhone. And so like I said, I have just the plain and simple 11. The reason I got the 11 and not the Pro or the Pro Max is simply because I did not want to spend the extra money getting a Pro or a Max Pro Max when this one is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna set this to the side. So in here, of course, you have the little Apple information, the regular charging port box, what have you, and then the ear plugs, and then the cord. So I put this back in here, and then let's see what's up with this phone. So yeah, it is very pretty. That is very pretty, I have to admit. And then so I do have, hold on just a second. I do have these two items that came as well. And this is a screen protector that I have. And then this is just a little clear case. And I don't know how good this is gonna be. I may have to change this because I think this case feels a little bit cheap. But I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted a clear case so that you could see the phone through the case. I do need to get me a pop socket for the back because I do like the pop sockets. So anyway, so I'm not going to take this off until I get ready to put the screen protector on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It has taken me forever to, what do you call that, to back up my iPhone so that I can go ahead and get this one on. I'm actually not one of those people that just goes out and get a new phone every time a new one comes out. No, because even when I got the 8, the 10 was already out, but I chose the 8 because I did not want a phone without the home screen. So now I have a phone without the home screen. So, English, US, so do I want to, let's see, I don't know. Oh, so what am I to do? Wait, how do I do this? Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position the pattern in the circle. Hold on. I'm trying to figure this out.
The camera is the other way around.
Oh, my bad. Wait, I'm figuring this out, Mikey. Hold on. Oh, so I gotta do the back camera? No.
Switch phone, Mom. The back camera on these need to go on top of that.
Oh, okay. My bad. I'm sorry. I've never done this. Oh, enter passcode. Shut your mouth. I've never done it this way. The last time I changed my phone, the guy at the store, he did it, and it wasn't even at a real Verizon store. It was like one of those authorized dealers, and I didn't realize it, and all my stuff didn't transfer over, and I was a bit perturbed about that. So it's activating now. So as you all can see, I was not putting the phone at the right spot, and my daughter had to tell me, put the phone right there, mama, put the phone on the camera. You know, she's trying to act like I don't know. Okay, so it says to make a call. So let me make this call. Okay. In order to complete the activation of your iPhone, please use another phone to call. Now this is saying setup failed. Why?
Welcome to Verizon Wireless Orders and Activations. Para español oprime la estrella. Starting with the area code, please enter the number you're calling about.
Okay, so I called the number, and so now it is supposedly activating the phone. And when I called the other number, it went through, and then it said call failed. Okay. So data and privacy. Oh, Face ID. I'll do this later. Okay, so basically I'm going to set up from transfer my data, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm at this point, and it's asking me to set up whether or not I want it light or dark. So I'm just going to set it up for dark to see how I like that, and then continue. See how long this is going to take. It's estimating. I can probably sit this down and see about doing this screen protector. Let's see. Okay, so this is a glass screen protector. It says for iPhone 6.1. This is an edge-to-edge screen protector. A non-compatible phone case may interfere with our full screen protection. So apparently, how does this go? Ooh. Maybe I need to read the instructions. It even comes with this thing right here that I guess you're supposed to put on here before you put the screen protector on. But I don't see any instructions. And then it even has a registration for this bad baby. It came with 3 of these screen protectors. Really good price too. Pretty neat. Okay, so I need to take this off. And then I shouldn't have to clean it because I'm taking this off and then I'm going ahead and putting it on. So you're supposed to put this here. Put that there. Then put the other one there. I have to remove this protective layer. Then like way cool. I have never had a screen protector that does that easy. That was really, really good. And then I'm going to take this off. And it's protected. Okay, so let's see how this little rinky-dink thing does. Since this is all I got, I have to use it. Oh, maybe it's a little stronger than I thought. Okay. Okay. Hey. Oh, whoa. What did I do? So why are all these languages coming up on here? Okay, so, well, that is it. I am going to finish setting this up and then take my behind to bed, but I'm good to go, I believe. See? Yay, new iPhone 11. Like I said, I didn't get the Pro or the Pro Max because, first of all, I wouldn't have gotten the Pro Max because of the size. But secondly, the Pro and the Pro Max, I mean, this is $699. Well, $749 because I did get the 128 gig, but the other ones are like over $1,000, and I was not trying to spend $1,000 for a phone. So I don't know if I did justice with unboxing this because like I said, I've never unboxed a phone, but yeah, that's my new phone. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.